All right, so you have this haircut, you want this haircut, your son, daughter, whoever wants this haircut. There's a few things that you need to understand about the TikToker haircut. That's what, you know, I have a video that has over 24 million views on TikTok about this hairstyle. And it's really what has gotten me a lot of popularity in my products and stuff. So for this particular haircut, okay, you need to make sure, one, you have the right hair type. Now this is a mannequin head that has, you know, I would say medium density. The hair itself is very, very fine. However, there's a lot of hair, okay? It appears thick, it's just that there's so much of it. So, you know, you can have thin hair, you can have thick hair, as long as you have a good amount of hair. If you have wavy hair, this could work if you want to leave this a bit curly or wavy. That looks amazing because most people who have straight hair who want this look with the waves have to get a perm and stuff. So if you have curly hair, wavy hair, you actually have somewhat of an advantage. But if you have pin straight hair and you want to see these flips, then the first thing is you have to make sure you have the right haircut. And as you can see, this is all layered in through here. You can't just have hair from the very, very top that comes all the way down to your nose and expect to have it flip up. It's too heavy. So you have to make sure that all of this in through here, as you can see, I'm pulling this straight up. All of this is layered, which means it has to be held out from the head like this so that when you bring the hair down, it makes it easier to flip up. So now, how do you, your kids, whoever want, how do they get this hairstyle? Well, I have this thing called the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. And basically it includes, I don't even know where one of my hairsprays is, but it includes the 2-inch round brush right here, the ceramic ionic round brush. Tidal Wave, which is like the essential spray. You spray this on. Just don't overspray it. I would say, you know, 3, 4, 5 spritzes at most throughout the head. Then you're going to use this round brush. This is a 2-inch ceramic ionic round brush. And the key is to make sure that you wrap the hair around and you pull and go back this way and pull out so the hair flips. Now this is not part of the TikToker kit, but I do have a hair dryer that I do sell on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. And you know, this is the box right here for the hair dryer, which can only be used and purchased in the United States. It comes with the nozzle, which is very important, and a diffuser with magnetic attachments. This is my second version, actually I think third version of this dryer that I've updated over time. The key is that you really have to roll this around, use the air from the nozzle right here, which is going to direct it, and you have to roll the hair back like this and pull like that, all right? Blow drying is an art form in itself, but once the blow dry process is done, then this is where you could take the hair and you can just kind of run it back like this, push forward, and as you can see, we have all those pieces now coming up, which is what everybody wants. They want all these nice little pieces flipping up. Then you finish it off with the locked hairspray, and it should stay in place. But you know, I'm still getting lots of people ordering the TikTok hairstyle kit on my website. They're ordering Tidal Wave, the brushes. I mean, it's phenomenal how popular this haircut and hairstyle still is, and I still get a lot of people ask me about it. So, you know, let me know in the comments below if you do have this, if you do want this. I know many of you are like, oh, I'm so sick of this hairstyle. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. It's a very, very popular hairstyle, just like the undercut pops up from now, you know, time to time, and it's something that's always going to be popular. So let me know if you have this, if your kids have it. You know, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.